Hey everybody, it's Burl with Mobile Mic Cells, and I got a special guest star today. We have Grady, our grandson here, and what we're going to be doing is changing the filters in our three-stage filter system. We had this installed earlier this year in Quartzsite, and I bought new filters for it when we headed to Laughlin, and we had it hooked up for 3 months in Laughlin. Where I changed the filters when we got there. So let's see what they look like. So everybody remembers the rule of lefty loosey, righty tighty. And apparently I got these really tight. Here, hold this, Grady. Oh, maybe I took it wrong. So the best way to do this is to lay it down so you have plenty of leverage. And just get your wrench on there, which is easier said than done sometimes. Oh, I really did a good job tightening these. Your Grady, pull on the wrench.
Okay.
Filter. Okay. And what I did was I made the first filter a taste and odor. Yeah. No, this is the last filter. Taste and odor. It's like this is carbon activated. The first one was a, check real quick, 5-micron filter. So let's see what it looks like. So it's not too bad. A little rusty. The water comes out clear, so that's good. And this is a 1-micron filter. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, that's pretty bad, huh?
Yeah.
It's like a lot of contaminants. And the water looks, well, fairly clear. That means it's doing its job. So that means we only have to change one filter. So that means we only have to change one filter on this project. And what I do is I store my filters in the wet bay, and to keep them from getting wet, I keep them in a handy dandy Ziploc bag.
So Grady, what do you think about all this?
I think that this is really cool, and I'm glad that you weren't drinking that.
So now we're just going to reinstall this. Maybe. Just hand tighten it first, and then come by with the wrench. Here, hold this, Grady. Just like that. Then take your wrench and finish tightening. The middle one's the toughest one. Sort of like the middle child. And there you have it.
A complete water filter
system.